Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I've collaborated with Khadija Shaban. We are going to do different types of Swahili snacks. I'll be making this tasty milk powder barfi and Khadija Shaban will be making half cakes. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. Ingredients to make milk powder barfi: you will need 1.5 cup of milk powder. You're also going to need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of normal water, a half a teaspoon of orange food coloring, or you can use any other food coloring that you prefer, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and lastly a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. In a pot or a pan, you're going to pour 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and lastly a half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. And stir everything well and let the syrup to cook on a medium heat until it starts to stick. When the syrup starts to form some bubbles, you're going to add a half a teaspoon of orange food coloring, or you can just leave it plain, and let the syrup to continue to cook until it becomes sticky. After approximately 3 to 5 minutes, your syrup should be sticky like this and your syrup is ready. Lastly, you're going to reduce the heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil and give a quick mix. Then lastly, add 1.5 cup of milk powder. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing until everything is nicely combined. The mixture of the barfi should be thick like this, and your barfi is ready, and remove it from the heat. Make sure your working surface is ready. You can either grease the surface or you can use this baking sheet to avoid the barfi from sticking at the bottom, and immediately pour the barfi on top. Using a spatula, spread the barfi, then afterwards take a wooden stick and make sure you've greased the wooden stick. Then spread the barfi into a medium circle as you can see in the video. Once the barfis have cooled down, using a knife, you're going to cut the barfi in any shape that you desire. I'm going to cut my barfis into diamond shape, or you can cut them into square shape, that's up to you. And our tasty milk powder barfis are ready, as you can see in the video. They look so good and very tasty. Store them in a container and they can last for approximately 1 month. Thank you for watching my video and hope you enjoyed this recipe. And please kindly don't forget to watch Hadija Shaban's video on how to make these tasty half cakes. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.